Hi, and welcome to this video. Right now, we're going to be looking at an introduction to UI UX design. We're going to be defining some terms to get us started in this training. Now, first important question: what is UX? Right now, that's a short form for user experience, right? So user experience, UX, right? Now, what does that mean? It is generally the experience that a user has when using a product or service in order to meet his or her objective, right? So typically every product has a value that it wants to deliver, right? Every service has a value that it wants to deliver, all right? And if you look around us, right, every product that you see, both digital products and physical products, they have a value that they are attempting to offer, right? To somebody. It could be a chair, it could be a table, it could be a bottle, it could be the drink inside the bottle, right? It could be an office space, it could be a hospital, right? You have a producer or a service provider, offering value, right? And the people that they are offering that value to, the person that they are trying to solve a problem for, is referred to as a user. Now, everything that user experiences while trying to use that product or service, right, to solve his problem, right, the entire experience that he has is called the user experience, right? So it could be for a mouse, for example, and or a packet of biscuits, right? I want to use it to solve, I'm feeling a bit hungry, right? And I want to just chew on something quickly or snack on something quickly, right? The entire process, the entire experience that I have in trying to access that biscuit, and then everything I experience when I take my first bite, right? And all that forms my experience, my user experience of that particular product. And so user experience can be good, user experience can be bad, right? So UX is not a tangible thing that you can hold, right? It is an experience that a user has, right? And when you now talk about UX design, right, you're now talking about the process of developing, in my definition, the product, developing that experience, right? Developing the experience for users, right? So you work on the experience. A UX designer creates, an experience for the users, which is three important words: useful, usable, enjoyable, right? So when you work at developing a product or a service that are useful, usable, enjoyable for users, then you are doing UX design in the way it should be done. But whether consciously or unconsciously, right, UX is being done, right? If you don't have a UX designer on your product or your service, UX design is being done. When someone makes a table, makes a chair, right? Or a cobbler makes a shoe, whether he knows it or not, UX design is being done.